Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Good Feeling on guitar. We'll begin by exploring the foundational riff, which often centers around the E minor scale. Mastering a steady strumming pattern is crucial for the verses, ensuring a solid rhythmic bass. Pay close attention to transitioning between chords, aiming for seamless changes to maintain the song's flow and energy. The core of Good Feeling relies on a simple yet effective four-chord progression. You'll primarily use E minor, C major, G major, and D major. Utilizing open chord shapes will give your playing a rich, full sound, perfect for this track. Dedicate time to practicing these four chords in sequence, building up your muscle memory for smooth and confident transitions. Achieving the right feel involves a consistent strumming pattern. A popular choice is a down-down-up-up-down-up motion, which provides a driving rhythm. Focus on accenting the downbeats to give the song its characteristic pulse and energy. Aim for a steady tempo, ideally around 120 beats per minute, to capture the original track's vibrant feel. To truly master Good Feeling, begin your practice session slowly, using a metronome to perfect your timing and accuracy. If you encounter challenging sections, break them down into smaller, more manageable segments. Regularly listening to the original song will help you internalize its unique feel and precise timing, guiding your performance towards a polished sound.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.